Hi Algebra 1 students, this is Mr. Wallace, and today I want to do a short video on adding and subtracting polynomials. And I'm going to use the A and the B as examples. And so what we want to do is we want to learn how to organize ourselves. We're going to take a look at A right now, and I'm going to highlight terms with the same degree. It's a lot like combining like terms. You'll notice that I highlighted 2x to the third, and we're adding all of that on the left parentheses, and it's addition. We're adding it to everything on the right. And so one way to do that is to simply take the two lists and highlight monomials with the same degree. So we can add those together. And so what we would do is we've highlighted them in blue. We're going to add them together. The leading coefficient here is 2. And remember, even though it's not written, the leading coefficient here is 1. So we're going to add the 2 and the 1. And that's going to make 3x to the third. And so there aren't any other x to the thirds. So then we want to look for the next one to add together. We have a negative 5x squared here. Remember, we always want to pull the sign to the left of the leading coefficient and look at it that way, and we're adding that to 2x squared. And so really what we're doing is we are adding the 2 and the negative 5, and that makes a negative 3x squared. Okay? What we have left over, we have a x to the first here. There's no x to the first over here. So we're just going to write that down as it exists, plus x, and then we have this minus 1 here, and we copy that down. And you'll notice that as we go through that process, this is in standard form. You'll notice we have the x to the third, then x to the second, then x to the first, and then the minus 1. So that's how we add polynomials. We'll do the same over here. And again, it looks like my highest degree is, my highest degree is the second power. So we're going to add 3x squared to this x squared. And because it's addition, we can just add them, like so. So that should be 4x squared. We have, over here, we have an x to the first and a 4x to the first. So that's going to make a positive 5x, or 5x to the first. And then our very last step, we have no other x terms. We have a negative 6 and we have a positive 10, and that's going to help go ahead and give us 4. And so that is how you add polynomials.